Hey there, future marine biologists and shark enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of Ocean Explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the blue waters to uncover the fascinating world of sharks. Get ready for a fin-tastic adventure. Did you know there are over 500 different species of sharks? From the mighty great white to the adorable hammerhead, each one is unique and special.
Swim with shark, a magical show. Flip and flop, watch them go. Dance with me, oh sharky, in the ocean's spring. Splash and twirl, in the deep blue sea.
Guess what, explorers? Sharks are like the superheroes of the ocean. They have amazing senses, like super smelling and hearing. And did you know some sharks can even detect electricity? That's like having a built-in superhero radar. Sharks are not just fierce predators, they love to play too. Some sharks enjoy a game of tag with their friends, and others do acrobatic flips just for fun. It's a sharktastic playtime in the ocean.
Swim with shark, a magical show. Flip and flop, watch them go. Dance with me, oh sharky, in the ocean's spring. Splash and twirl, in the deep blue sea.
Time for some rapid-fire shark facts. Did you know sharks have been around for more than 400 million years? That's older than dinosaurs. And sharks never get cavities because their teeth are coated in fluoride. Talk about a toothy secret. This is a whale shark. Yes, the whale shark is indeed a shark. Despite its name, the whale shark is not a whale. It's the largest living species of shark and the largest fish in the world. These gentle giants can grow to impressive lengths, reaching up to 40 feet or more. Whale sharks have distinctive markings on their skin, resembling a checkerboard pattern with spots and stripes. They are filter feeders, primarily consuming plankton, small fish, and other microscopic organisms by swimming with their mouths wide open to filter out food from the water. Whale
Swim with shark, a magical show. Flip and flop, watch them go. Dance with me, oh sharky, in the ocean's spring. Splash and twirl, in the deep blue sea.
Check out the hammerhead shark's head. It's shaped like, you guessed it, a hammer. This unique structure is called a cephalophore, and scientists believe it helps them with various functions, including improved vision and enhanced maneuverability around food from the water. The tiger shark, named for its distinctive dark stripes along its body, is known as the garbage can of the sea due to its opportunistic and varied diet. With a reputation as a voracious predator, this powerful and inquisitive species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. The great white shark, with its iconic serrated teeth and powerful presence, is an apex predator patrolling the world's oceans. As one of the most well-known and misunderstood species, these majestic creatures are vital for marine ecosystem health and deserve our respect and conservation efforts.
Swim with shark, a magical show. Flip and flop, watch them go. Dance with me, oh sharky, in the ocean's spring. Splash and twirl, in the deep blue sea.